Let's choose our forecast alert as a starting point. For this example of how to use the Mama Master Profit chart, let's use the Tesla alert, which triggered us to buy a put position because the price went lower than the put price alert. Remember, a call is higher, a put is lower. The price went lower than 196.60, so we bought a put option. The tutorial of how to buy calls and puts is in our options trading tutorial. Please see our options tutorial video for step-by-step instructions on how to buy options contracts. The purpose of this video is to show you a little-known trick using your profit chart. This trick will show you the best time to enter trades, and more importantly, the best time to exit trades with profit in hand, allowing you to do so with confidence. This is where your Mama Master Profit chart is your best friend. Remember, we used our Tesla alert. The price went below 196.60, so we bought a put option. Here we can see that at 14:20 UTC, which is 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the price reached our alert price of 196.60. The lower the price goes, the more money we make because we bought a put option when the alert was initiated. So we got in the trade, as did many of you. The problem is, if you do not have this chart, more than likely you have this chart. Or the white version. See, you bought a put, which is a down position, and it went down, so everyone in this alert was making money, but you did not exit before the trade went upwards against your position, which caused a great many of you to lose the profit you just made. So it headed down to 1995, which is great for us because it gave us more profit, but when it reversed, I want you to pay close attention to the distance between this reversal candlestick where it went from red to green and the size of the gap between the next candlestick and this line. This is telling. The further the candlestick is away from the line, the stronger the trend is. These green candlesticks are pulling far away from the line, indicating a strong trend. If they were closer to the line, I may consider staying in my put position because it would indicate the trend is closer to turning back to a put direction. But right after a reversal, that next candlestick is important. If it's far from the line, it's a stronger trend, like you see here, and because I'm trading a put position, I'm closing this trade and taking my profit. If it were close to the line or overlapping the line, I may wait to see if it's going to turn back to a put direction to get more profits. But with a big gap like this, between the candlestick right after the reversal and the line, I'm closing this trade. It's important to note that in the moments when I plan to make quick moves in and out of the market, I'm using short time frames. I've selected the 5-minute chart for this one. The same logic holds true for entering a trade. I see a big gap between this line and the bars, indicating a strong trend. My QQQ forecast alert from Mama says, above 453.06, I need to be in a call position. But I won't just jump right in. I have to check Mama Master Profit chart to see if the bars have a gap between them and the line. If the bars were treading or close to the line, it would indicate to me that this position isn't strong enough for me to enter the trade yet. But since here, there is a huge gap in this QQQ trade and it went above the forecast alert call price, I'm jumping in. Now, when you get in, you may start to see red outlines on green bars and that may scare you. But if you zoom out from a 5-minute time frame to a 15-minute time frame, it may calm you down because you can see that for 15 minutes straight, it's been nothing but growth. Look at the 30-minute time frame. Same thing, and the more these green bars grow and trend up, the more profit I'm making in this trade in my call position. The forecast alerts are guidelines. They are not absolutes. Access to forecast alerts is access inside of the brain of Mama's AI. They only tell you what Mama is thinking, or like if a trade is active, what Mama is doing for its members, automated accounts, which are ran by Mama's AI hands-free. You can also use the Mama Master Profit chart to do swing trades, longer trades. I can look at a 1-hour or a 1-day time frame and see a signal here to sell, which is bearish or downward momentum. So I would hop in up here and check a few times a day to see if the momentum continues making me profit. Then when I see the opposite signal, I would hop out of the trade profit in hand.